The real secret of this channel is the idea that never becomes irrelevant. They always come up with some deep and thought-provoking ideas that guarantee to engage you forever. It might be like a science puzzle or a piece of history that feels too big to explain, but they break it into a short, clear story. But they don't let them become long lectures. Each video lasts only 4 to 8 minutes and uses animation to keep the mood light, so it's easy to watch more than one in a row. And the entire channel has been running for 14 years, which still draws millions of views. It's proof that the topics never get out of trend. Even better, in just 1 week it pulled in more than 7.8 million views, which is a 12% jump. And that way, it has more than 21.9 million subscribers and over 4.4 billion views. This kind of traffic brings in serious money, so if you want to steal this idea and start a new channel, you can be successful too. But how did they do it? Luck? Absolutely not. It's simply pure effort to pick subjects that will stay interesting for years. Turn them into questions that make people curious. Keep videos short, around 5 or 6 minutes, so they're easy to finish and share. And the main part? The video? That's my part. I will show you step by step how you can create videos like this, and still, you can stand out from the crowd. So now let's start, shall we? So first, set a clear goal about what you want from this research. Here, your goal is to gather video ideas that pull views now and will keep getting views years from today. So, I will go to ChatGPT. Your first message should be very clear so the GPT knows the plan. Tell it that you will soon share data from a competitor's YouTube channel, and it should study that data before giving you long-lasting video ideas. Here's the exact prompt that I will use. You can steal it from the prompt doc. Link in the description. Once you send that first message, ChatGPT will ask you to feed the data. So I will go to our reference channel and copy everything. For every video, copy 4 details: the full title, total views, VPH or views per hour basically, and how long ago it was posted. Collect as many videos as you can. The bigger the list, the clearer the picture. Now paste everything into the same chat. ChatGPT will then dig into the list and analyze each and every data. And within seconds, ChatGPT will come up with fresh topics for your channel. It won't copy those old titles. It will use only the patterns it found to create 30 to 50 new ideas that stay interesting over time. So from this list, we will pick any topic and go for the next step: script writing. And for script writing, I will use a special AI tool that you are familiar with, but not that way I'm about to show you. It's ElevenLabs that you always use to create the AI narrations. But now ElevenLabs isn't only about creating voiceover. Recently, it brought its new ElevenLabs v3.0, which is their most advanced text-to-speech model. It offers better emotional expression, supports over 70 languages, and can handle natural multi-speaker dialogue. Even better, now in ElevenLabs you can create AI script, captions, sound effect, music, podcast. And in the end, if you think your track got any errors, you can quickly edit it easily in the version 3.02. So from the homepage, click on ElevenLabs Studio 3.0. There you can see this AI script generator. And here you have to give a prompt like this. Within a minute, you will get a completely fresh script in your hand. Just copy it and save in doc as your main script. But look at this window. It's already ready for the voiceover. So why wait to create it? Just look at the right panel. You can already see some voices that I used before. If you want to look some more, you can search here too and pick one. Once the voice selected, you can click on this button to modify its volume, speed, stability, and more. And then just click on apply. But before that, let me give you one tip. Never try to record the entire script at once. So, before you click apply, delete 80% of the script and record like 20% of the script at a time. This will get you the best result. You can regenerate as much as you want, listen to it, and if you like it, click on export or download. That's it. But there are other innovative ways to do this. Let me show you how. Since you have copied the entire script already, come back to the main studio. For this niche, all the tools under audio section won't be helpful for us, but our focus will be what's under this video section. Don't be too excited, because ElevenLabs is not giving you a video editor. But if you already have visuals, ElevenLabs Studio V3 can help you generate the voiceover, sound effect, and matching music for it. This means, for now, we have to create the visuals first, based on the script. For high-quality visuals, Google Veo is the best choice right now, so we will use that. But don't go there already. Before we go there, we need to create video generation prompts that we will feed into Veo. So, again, get into ChatGPT, give it this prompt, and then paste your script after that. Within a second, ChatGPT will give you a lot of video generation prompts. Just copy them one after another, go to Google Gemini, paste the prompt there, and from the below options, select Create Videos with Veo, and hit Enter. It will just take 2 minutes to generate video. This will come with sound effects, and the video quality too is much different and improved compared to our reference channel. This is also animation but more realistic and engaging. Plus, it will be our unique touch. So this is how you can create all the visuals. And once the visuals are ready, now we will go back to ElevenLabs Studio 3.0 to generate voiceovers in a different way. So, open this new video voiceover option. In the new window, you have to upload your video. And on this side, you have to paste your script. Select a voice you like, following the process same as before. Click Apply, and the narration will be generated. But you see, each video generated by Google Veo is only 8 seconds long, and matching narration every time with 8 seconds footage will be weird. A lot of times, you have to cut the narration off mid-sentence, and that's bad. So if you follow this process, I will recommend you to make at least 1 minute long footage by putting 6 or 7 footages back to back. Import that in this ElevenLabs Studio V3, and then generate this narration. That'd work better. You can do it easily on CapCut video editor. Just open the software. Import a batch of first 6 or 7 footages. Place them one after another, and just apply some transitions if you want between the footages. That's it. We are not editing right away, so this is enough to export, and now take it to ElevenLabs. But if you want, you can already generate all the video footages, create the full video in CapCut, and take it to ElevenLabs. Whatever you do, after all these, follow the exact same procedure. Listen and regenerate frequently to get the best result. You can drag and reposition each block of text wherever you want. In fact, this is the way you can correct any error in your voiceover even later, by cutting or deleting and repositioning your sentence blocks. To make pause, you can change the para or write pause like this. Do all the trial and error. If everything is perfect, don't click on export, because we will try out some more things here. We will try sound effects and background music. For these two, you need pro plans. To apply sound effect, you have 2 ways. Either select inbuilt SFX wherever necessary, or there is an AI which can generate you live SFX based on your text prompt. You can also use that. Just write something like this randomly and check it if you like it or not. That's it. Next, the music part is even simpler. Just come to AI Soundtrack Generator, select an inbuilt track from the library, or describe any music as you like in your words. 3 choices will be generated within minutes. It's as simple as that. And finally, there's AI Caption. As you click on it, you will automatically understand what to do or how to do without me explaining. You only have to choose the style of captions, and this bar on the top defines the size of the caption. If everything is set perfectly, now you can click on Export. And don't just leave it there. Once export is done, you need to download it to complete the procedure. Again, keep in mind that this studio is not a video editor. It just gives you space where you can edit your audio more dynamically, based on your visuals. But look at the output now. It's a blessing that we got 90% of project ready with visuals, transitions, and audio with sound effects, music, and captions. If you want, you can upload this too on your channel. But to give it a little more professional touch, you can go for the final editing. Again, open CapCut and import the exported file in the timeline. Nothing much we need to do. If you think some parts still need some transition, split that part carefully so you don't end up splitting an SFX or narration in the middle. Apply transition. You can also apply some filters or a vignette, but only if you really want. If you ask me, those are completely extra, additional, and kind of fancy. So, take a final look at your video and export it in 1080p or 4K quality in MP4 format. That's the best quality and formatting for YouTube. Just see what you have made. So what do you think? Could you use these same steps to build a channel that pulls millions of views year after year? If not, Just let me know which part of the process seemed the most difficult to you. Is it finding timeless topics, writing scripts with ElevenLabs Studio 3.0, or audio editing? Drop your thoughts in the comments and share the one idea you're ready to try today. And if you're serious about turning this into your own viral documentary channel, hit subscribe and join the Skool community through the link below. Your next big video could be the one everyone talks about.
Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when it gets super cold? Not just chilly, but really, really cold, like freezing cold. It's a fascinating process, and today we're going to dive into it. We'll explore how your body fights back against the ice, what happens when it can't, and the surprising ways it tries to survive. So buckle up and let's find out what happens to your body in extreme cold. Imagine this. You step outside on a day that's way below freezing. The air bites at your skin. Your first reaction is to shiver, right? That's your body's alarm system going off. Shivering is your muscles working super fast. They're tensing and relaxing over and over. This movement creates heat. It's like your body's built-in heater trying to keep your core temperature up. But what's happening deeper inside? Your body is smart. It knows that some parts are more important than others. The most